So I'm having a virtual real estate investing boot camp next month. The week of November 14th is going to be 5 days. Y'all say 5 days, 5 days with me. Talking real estate, talking wealth building. I'm going to share with you guys my journey from a single section 8 rental all the way to an 8-figure portfolio, single family, multifamily. We're going to talk about some mindset. We're going to talk about financing deals. We're going to talk about underwriting and analyzing deals where you get comfortable with that. And we're just going to go through the whole process. And so that's something I've been putting together, working with my team. So that'll be coming November 14th. Y'all look out. I'm going to launch the website this weekend so you guys can sign up. We're going to have general admission. It'll be an hour each evening at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. General admission is $7. And if you want to get in VIP, it'll be $97. Y'all say VIP, very important person, because you are a very important person. If you want to get time where you can ask me anything, I'm going to have Q&A for an hour for those in VIP. You'll get an hour time in front of me teaching and the instruction that we'll be able to answer questions, and whatever you have, you got an hour of my time ahead of time to just answer questions. So I encourage that, VIP, and we're going to have homework every night that is going to be focused. We're going to have some participation in the Facebook group and just kind of push you through. So when you come out of this week, you're going to be ready for the new year. You're going to be ready to kind of move into your greatness, as you kind of transition and get people motivated, taking action about building wealth. Because you just gotta have a strategy, and then you just gotta take action and go do it. It's not hard. It's not complicated, but you just gotta take action and do it. And just know and figure out why is it important. Is it passing down a legacy to your kids important? Is it helping a cause for a nonprofit? Because guess what? If you're broke, you can't help anybody. If you don't have money, you can't plant seeds in other people's lives and provide value. And so that's the biggest thing, that there's so much good that could be happening. The more people that we teach how to build generational wealth, how to build, wealth, how to buy assets. Because if you're not buying assets, you're going to always be somebody else's asset. That's a word for today. You got to buy assets, whether it's real estate, it's businesses, it's mutual funds, stocks, whatever it is. You got to buy assets so you don't become somebody else's asset for your whole entire life. Because guess what? If you're working somebody else's job, that CEO, you're his asset. Because guess what? You're making him a whole lot more money than what he's paying you. Yes. Because if you weren't making them money, they wouldn't have you on the payroll. 100%. They're probably making at least 3 or 4 times. You're bringing in 3 or 4 times the revenue of what you're being paid easily. So, that's called leverage. And so that's the thing. We're going to be talking about real estate investing. But yeah, look out there November 14th. Nicholas McKinney said, please send me the info, ready to invest. Let's go. Let's go. That's what is it. Let's go. We're going to have it. I'll definitely make sure we get that information over to you, brother. And, you'll be good to go. And, man, y'all got me happy. I'm going to miss I'm going to have to cut my workout short. They're going to be looking for me upstairs. I'm going to still be in the gym, but that's fine. They'll be okay. It's just Tuesday. We got plenty of time to make up the rest of the week. Y'all be blessed, and be on the lookout for the real estate investing boot camp. I'm super excited.